So there's two types of setups that you can choose to have your equipment. You could have it in a batch mode or you can have it in a continuous mode. As you notice with this system, it's very simple. Start, stop. It has a VFD that controls your pump and a potentiometer that controls the pump speed. That's it. There isn't really much else to configure other than the operating pressure. But there's also a continuous system that is controlled instead of manually, where you're manually adjusting the pump speed and manually adjusting the pressure. There's a PLC, a computer that actually controls that function, and it does that for you automatically in real time. But this system is more economical because you don't have to have a myriad of sensors that exponentially increase the cost of the machine. These systems are extremely simple. And the way it works is that you have a batch process where you would have, for example, a 50-gallon drum. And so that 50-gallon drum feeds in through your feed port. It cycles through the system. And so what happens is every time that your micella flows through the membranes, you recover a certain percent of it. And that's determined by the temperature, it's determined by the osmotic pressure, and a whole bunch of things. But the point being is that, say you recover 18% of your original volume every time it goes through your system. Well, that exits through here, which is your discharge, which is your concentrate port, and that goes back to your original 50-gallon container. And that gets cycled again and again and again through the system. And so your original 50-gallon container goes from 50 gallons, 40 gallons, 30 gallons, whatever, until that solution becomes your concentrate. And your concentrate can either be your concentrated solution that has been dissolved and you've removed the solvents from it, or it can be your fats from the winterization process.